Hello and hi everyone, my name is Nisa and this is my channel. Today, the topic I would like to share with you all is what is application software? First, let me show you what is an application software. Application software is often called productivity programs or end-user programs because they enable the user to complete tasks such as creating documents, spreadsheets, database and publications, doing online research, sending email, designing graphic, running businesses, and even playing. Next is the specific to the task. It is designed for and can be as simple as a calculator application or as complex as a word processing application. So, for general purpose software useful, they are useful for a variety of tasks. It is usually normally used for school and home. It is a graphical user interface. Types of application software. So, there are 6 types of applications. First is the application suite. It has a multiple applications bundled together related to the functions, features, and user interfaces interact with each other. Second is the enterprise software. It has addresses and organizations need and data flow in huge distributed environment. Third is an enterprise infrastructure software. So it has provide capabilities required to support enterprise software system. Fourth is the information worker software. It has addresses individual needs required to manage and create information for individual projects within departments. 5 is a content access software. It has used to access content and addresses a desire for published digital content and entertainment. 6. Lastly, educational software. It provides content intended for use by students. Examples of application software. In this part of my presentation, I like to talk about the examples of application software. There are 5 examples of application software. First is the word processor. A word processing program used to create, edit and manipulate this document. It can also support images and other graphical elements such as videos. For example, word processor is a Microsoft Word. Second is the media player. A media player allows you to watch videos and listen to music that is stored on your computer or streamed for an online source. It can be used to convert media files to a wide variety of different formats. The examples for media formats are VLC media player or Windows media player. Third is web browser, an application that allows you to access and browse the World Wide Web. The browser communicates with web page to display all the web pages features to allow you to navigate around it. For example, for web browser are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Fourth is a desktop publishing, multimedia software that allows you to create, edit, and manipulate images and other visual media such as brochures and logos. For example, for desktop publishing are MS Publisher or Adobe InDesign. Lastly is an email. It's a communication software that allows you to send and receive electronic communication to and from other people. For example of email are Microsoft Outlook and Gmail. So I would like to test you guys. Do you remember all the 6 types? I think majority all of you have maybe forgot or missed. Remember, before I give you an answer, you can pause and think before I give you an answer. So let's go. So first, it is showing a man use a Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Do you think what type of application software he used? So the answer is application suite. Next is show the images of type application software that used for, such as DataPin, Salesforce, and Stripe. Each example of application has present the categories of So what's your answer? The answer for this application software is enterprise software. Third, it shows the math game which is educational games. What do you think? What is type of application software of this? So the answer is educational software. For as you can see, this is a Microsoft Excel similar to application suite. But the function is different because it is spreadsheet that to be create and manage information offered for individual projects within a department. So, what answer for this type of application software? The answer is information worker software. Fifth, it shows the five web browsers such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Safari. These were five types of web browsers that used for this application software. So, what answer for this type of application software? The answer is content access software. Lastly, is the images show many of application software such as a system management software, virtual computing software, general purpose operating system, storage software, and network software. So what type of this application software? The answer is enterprise infrastructure software. Overall, do you all have identified and recognized all types of application software? If yes, good job. If not, don't be upset. This is just beginning. Objective of this test is to make you know about examples and functions of each application. Actually, application software is a common thing that we always use in our daily life. As you can see, for mobile application that I show you is top chart of application people download it. Google Meet, Telegram, Google Classroom, and Zoom. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, which is advantages and disadvantages. In this part of my presentation, I'd like to talk about the advantages of application software are: first, if the application software packages are written by software specialists and are of great quality. Second, if the updated versions of software are available regularly. Third, it saves time and money of the organization since it doesn't require the staff member to develop, write, and test the program. Lastly, if the licensed application software gets regular updates from developer for the purpose of maintaining security, the developer also sends personnel from time to time if any problem occurs and corrects them. Let me elaborate on this point. First is the application software that is designed to meet for a specific purpose will be costly for the developers to develop. This affects their budgets and revenue and time if the developed software is not generally accepted. Second is the software designed for a specific purpose. Some businesses may not be compatible with other general application software. Third is the software must be developed according to the requirement of the customer, which require a lot of time, and due to this, there might be delay in the production processes. So there are a few disadvantages of application software. The advantages of application software outweigh their disadvantages. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for listening and your attention. I hope you have gained an insight into a good application software to our life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please smile, stay safe, and stay positive, everyone.